I'm sharing with you a Facebook page which has several PDF files of various older Necchi models. This is just the first 5-6 lines, but when you scroll this page you will see much more links, many more links for other Necchi models, not just these ones. Now this website you need to be logged into your Facebook account to access, I believe. However, you don't need to join the group, so that's a good point. And once you get on this page, which you'll find in the comment section, the link, I'm not sure where it's going to open, but you need to click on Files section. So make sure you click here, and then you will see this list. And then there is 2 steps. You need to first scroll down to find your model. Actually, for each model, there are several PDF files. Some are better than others. Some are just poorly scanned. You will see in a moment. So let's say you want this one. Just click on the link. It's going to open a second page. Is going to look a little bit like this, and you just need to go to the actual link. This is going to be the actual link when you want to download. You will click on this link. Obviously it's going to have different names for different models. Now once you click, just a small warning, I have a Microsoft Edge Explorer, and I think Google Chrome Explorer is the same. When you download a link from a website, it's going to open a download at the right upper corner. But if you try to download a second or third link, it's going to block the downloads. It's a feature in Edge for some reason, sort of security. I'm going to link you a video how to unlock the more than one downloads. It's really just the browser, it's not the Facebook page. Now this is again PDF files that some people did scan at some point. This is just really one of the examples. I just want to show you a bit of what does it actually look like, these scans. This one I think it's better. You can always zoom in, right? So when you open the PDF file, yes, depends obviously on the model. This is better. This one is more poorly scanned, although it does look better. But when you look perhaps on the right side, you'll find on some pages, I believe it's going to cut, not sure which one is this one, BUSO. Some pages is going to be missing a bit of information at the right here, sometimes, not always. Anyhow, these are really the original manuals. They are in English, and they will show you really all the details of this sewing machine. Again, you may find for the same sewing machine several manuals. So my advice is just go to the list and download everything, and then just sort out the manuals and choose the one that you find it's better suited or more clear for your needs.